In today's video, we talk about how to download and get a void check in CIBC 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. To get a void check for your CIBC account in 2025, you can easily download a digital void check from the CIBC mobile app or CIBC Online Banking. Log into the CIBC mobile app. Open the CIBC mobile app on your phone or tablet. Sign in with your CIBC Online Banking username and password. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the CIBC checking or savings account for which you need the void check. Access the void check option. After selecting the account, look for the option View Void Check or Direct Deposit and Void Check under the account details. Tap this option to generate your void check. Download and save or share the void check. A digital version of your void check will appear, showing your account number, branch number, and institution number. You can download it directly to your device, email it to yourself, or share it as a PDF to provide to your employer, or for setting up direct deposit, automatic payments, etc. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.